time stop. Hello my friends, welcome to another video, or videos should I say. Let me explain. As you probably saw from the earlier footage, we've come to Scotland, but there's a few differences. It's not going to be a video, it's going to be about 2 or 3 different videos added together. I don't know, to be honest, how many. First difference, no Richard. Second reason, I'm with my wife, that's why, because like I say, we're on holiday. So we are staying the first night, as you probably saw, I put that footage up before, in Inverness for the first night, and we're moving across the Scottish road trip, and it's the NC 500, North Coast 500. Now yes, before you say, oh, not another North Coast 500, this is my NC 500, so regular viewers will know it's not just some bloke talking to a camera. Explaining every image. It's about the scenery. Hopefully get the drone up, and basically you're seeing what I see, so that's what my vlog's all about. You might have me talking in the background, but I'm not going to be on camera much. It's all about the journey, where we're going, and as I say, they're fantastic. So there will be castles, gorges, waterfalls, beaches, and of course later on, maybe in a later video when we get round on the west coast, all the fantastic mountain scenery. But it's not just the honeypot spots, which of course we're there on holiday, so we want to see them, but we'll see other stuff as well. As you know, I always look for stuff that's a little less popular, you know, or populated I should say. So fingers crossed, I hope you enjoy it. If that's your type of video, travel photography, then this is a place for you to see. So let's get going. Thanks a lot. Oh, by the way, if you like what you're seeing, that thumbs up is muchly appreciated as always, so thank you very much. Let's go. Nice little footbridge. And Trace makes her way over, looking for the falls. Here we go, first destination, Fairy Glen Falls. It's not the one we have in North Wales, but I'm sure there's lots of fairy glens across the country. This is just north of Inverness. We are going to a better waterfall on our next location here today. Not many people bumped into just 1 or 2 only. Beautiful cascades. Oh, very nice. The money tree. Right. This is number 2 of the falls here at Fairy Glen. That's another lovely one. Lots of branches down. Very nice up. Second destination, Rogie Falls. As you can see, a lot more water. destination, Big Burn Falls. Let's go and have a look. It's a nice stone. Yeah, very nice. Quite a gnarly twisted tree on the path to the waterfalls. How's this for a little tucked away? Look at the size of that tree, the colour of it. And a nice little stream at the side of it. Worth the photo. Lovely dappled light coming through. So we go, oh, starting to get a few nice cascades now. Look at the light on that bridge. Lovely. I think we're nearing the end where the fall will be. Nice little cascades. Grace has been admiring the view. All the fallen trees over there. And this is Big Burn Walk on the waterfall. Fantastic. This is the top part of the falls. Way down the bottom earlier on. Hope you can hear me with all this noise. Nice little section there though, isn't there, underneath that branch? Yeah, very pretty.